Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikomoga and I'm a creative ballpoint pen artist. Now today I'll be talking on how to draw a realistic eyes with pen. So this is a video I'm creating for anyone, you guys, especially beginners, amateurs that are struggling to draw with ballpoint pen realism. So if you are here, you are in the right place. This video is for you. Now, for you to start a good drawing, you have to. There are a lot of tricks. That there are a lot of technical approach to them. So this video is for you. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video so other people can also benefit from it. Pen drawing doesn't require a lot of materials to do your drawings. What you need is a biro. Majorly I use big biro, as you can see in the video. That is what I use for my drawings. So now doing a drawing like this, you need a big biro. And what else? You need a paper. I use you can start with any kind of paper. Some people think paper can, of course, it can also add value to your work, but as for now, as a beginner, you should learn how to draw with any paper you come across with. So, but the paper I'm using now is called glossy paper or pelican paper. So that's the paper I use I'm working on. Now, what else you need? Of course, a low grade pencil for your outline, HB pencil. That's what you need. Now, how to draw a realistic eye for you to have a perfect understanding, for you to have a perfect work. Remember, it's a realistic drawing. So for you to do that, you will have to use grid lines. Of course, you can also use freehand, but I think for a beginner, grid lines will give you a good outline. So an outline you to define the borders of your drawing. Yes, it gives you an overall shape of your object, the subject you are working on. So after you have done your outline, of course you are going to use a grid. I mentioned it earlier, grid maker. If you don't have it, go to Play Store, download it and use. It's going to help you in your drawing. So after that, you do your outline just like in the video, and then you begin to shade. Now the shading requires a lot of time. No doubt you have to put in a lot of hard work on it. So you take your time and shade it using your reference, and you get there. So give me some questions. If you have any questions, I'd like to hear them from you. If you get stuck on the shading part, you can ask your question in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you soon.